Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Mova V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the Mova V50 Ultra Complete. Featuring 24,000 Pascal suction, FlexiRise navigation, and warm water mopping with DuoSolution system. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver ultimate cleaning performance. The V50 Ultra Complete boasts a triple anti-tangle mechanism, including TroboWave DuoBrush, to prevent hair from tangling and increase cleaning efficiency. The DuoSolution system allows you to choose between an all-purpose cleaning solution or a pet odor removal agent. This robot vacuum features synchronous obstacle avoidance, with extendable wheels that lift the device to effortlessly overcome obstacles. The jet spray dryboard system distributes water evenly and improves cleaning. The V50 Ultra Complete comes with a protected FlexiPress mop pad, ensuring even pressure for optimal results. It's perfect for homes with pets or allergies, and is designed for easy maintenance and operation. With its advanced features and powerful suction, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The Mova V50 Ultra Complete is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Mova V50 Ultra Complete.